Hello guys, welcome once again our Litmores YouTube platform. In this video, we will see the current affairs of June 10, and after watching this video, you can easily answer these questions. That is, the name of LIC chairman, the CEO of Bandhan Bank, how many deputy governors are there in the RBI and the name of those, where is the venue of G7, what are InvITs, that is Investment Infrastructure Trusts, the name of current Chief Election Commissioner, also the newly appointed Election Commissioner of India, which is the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, and lastly, the name of the first female chairman of Rolls-Royce in 115 years since the inception of Rolls-Royce company. So let's start this video, and the first news is about the hike in the MSP of crops, Kharif crops. So what is MSP? This is minimum support price, and the season for Kharif crops is July to October. Okay, so this is also important. So the center has raised the MSP for Kharif crops by an average of 3.7%, with the maximum hike reserved for pulses and oilseeds. Reason being to encourage farmers to shift from paddy. So government wants to decrease their import of pulses and oilseeds. Also, recently the price of pulses and oilseeds in India is quite high, so government wants to look on that matter. Okay, moving over the next news. Government gives 9-month extension to LIC chairman. So the IPO of LIC is around the corner, and government wants to garner about 90,000 crore rupees by selling 10% of LIC stake. So the chairman of LIC is M.R. Kumar. Okay. In another news, M.K. Jain gets 2-year extension as RBI Deputy Governor. So the RBI said the government has reappointed Mahesh Kumar Jain as Deputy Governor. So there are 4 Deputy Governors serving right now. The other 3 are Michael Patra, M. Rajeswar Rao and T. Ravi Shankar. So Ravi Shankar was appointed recently at the place of B.P. Kanungo. Also, Bandhan Bank has reappointed Chandrasekhar Ghosh as MD and CEO for the next 3 years. You have to tell that where is the headquarter of Bandhan Bank. Okay, so moving on. India to pitch COVID management at G7 meeting. So the venue of this year's G7 meet is Cornwall, Britain, and the countries of G7 is UK, US, Canada, France, Germany, Italy and Japan. Will come together to thrash out a global response to the pandemic, trade, climate, among other challenges. Also, if we add Russia to the G7 countries, this becomes G8. Okay. This year, the G7 summit is also inviting some other countries like India, South Korea, Australia. So in that regard, Narendra Modi will also attend this meet, but virtually, not in person like the head of these states. Now, GAIL to monetize 2 pipelines via InvIT route. In another news, NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India, gets SEBI nod for 5,000 crore InvIT. So what is InvIT? So full form is Infrastructure Investment Trust. Okay, trusts. So InvITs are investment instruments that work like mutual funds. Okay, so this work like mutual fund and are regulated by SEBI. These units are listed on different trading platforms like a stock exchange and a wholesome combination of both equity and debt instrument. So anyone can invest in these projects via InvITs. Okay. Also, this is about InvITs is about infrastructure, and there is REITs. This is for real estate, that is real estate investment trusts. So these work for real estate things and InvITs work for infrastructure. In such a model, assets are placed in an InvIT where investors put in money and income generated from such assets is paid as dividend. Okay. Moving on, Anup Chandra Pandey takes charge as Election Commissioner of India. So the newly appointed Election Commissioner of India is Anup Chandra Pandey. And who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India? So you have to tell in the comment section that who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India. Okay. Further on, El Salvador is the first country which adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. So the capital of El Salvador is San Salvador and the name of president is Nayib Bukele. So as per president, it will bring financial inclusion, investment, tourism, innovation and economic development for our country. El Salvador is in Central America near Bahamas. And Anita Frew will succeed Ian Davis as Rolls-Royce chairman for almost 9 years. Okay. And in this picture you can see that US President Joe Biden and First Lady Jill Biden, they are leaving for G7 summit in the UK, Cornwallis. Okay. Now this is the practice set 1 for you. So kindly attempt this question and write the answer in comment box. So Niti Aayog has recommended the names of which bank for privatization in 2021-2022. A village name, you have to name the village in which is the India's first village to achieve 100% vaccination of adults. So this village in which state of India? And the question number 3 is, RBI recently cancelled the license of Shivaji Bhosle Cooperative Bank. And you have to tell that who has been appointed as the liquidator of this bank, that is Shivaji Bhosle Bank. Question number 4 is, which organization has become the global tournament sponsor for the ICC from 2021 to 2023? And lastly, who authored the book Skill It, Kill It? So hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Okay. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.